to get through to you, boy. But you made up your mind, there ain't no fixing you, boy. I'm done playing your games and you took note of it, boy. Not even a month later, you found you a new toy.